In this video, I am going to tell you how to multiply two-digit numbers within one step. Not even two, in only one step within a second or two. So let's start with our first example. Let's try to multiply 91 with 19. The method you need to follow is multiply right side numbers, that is 1 multiplied by 9, 1 of 91 and 9 of 19, so it will come 9. Okay, now let me write the process for you. Next, what we will have to do is cross multiplication of the numbers, for example, which is 1 of 91 multiplied by 1 of 19, which is 1. Then 9 of 91 multiplied by 9 of 19, it will come to 81. Now add these two numbers, 1 plus 81, it will come to 82. Now write the 2 of the 82 before the 9 here. Okay, now please remember you are left with 8 of 82. Now let's come to the next step, which is multiply 9 of 19 with 9 of 91 with 1 of 19. It will come to 9. Now add this 9 with the 8 which was left over, so it will come to 17. Now write the 17 before the 29. So 91 multiplied by 19 comes to 1729. Let's check it with the help of the Excel. 91 multiplied by 19, it comes to 729. Okay, now let's solve our next example, which is 61 multiplied by 19. Now the method remains the same. Multiply 1 of 61 with 9 of 19, it comes to 9. Okay, now cross multiply 1 of 61 multiplied by 1 of 19, it is 1. Then multiply 6 of 61 with 9 of 19, 6 multiply 9, it will come to 54. Now add these two numbers, it comes to 55. Now put the 5 before the 9. Now you are left with the 5 from the 55. Now multiply 6 of 61 with 1 of 19, it comes to 6. Okay, now add 5 of the previous leftover number with the 6, it comes to 11. write the 11 before this. It comes to 1159. Now let us check with the help of the Excel. 61 multiplied by 19, it comes to 1159. Okay, now let's now let's start with the third example, which is 72 multiplied by 24. Now let's do it without writing the number. 2 of 72 multiplied by 4 of 24. It is 8. Okay. Now 7 multiplied by 4. 7 of 72 multiplied by 4 of 24. It comes to 28. 7 multiplied by 4, 28. Now 2 of 72 multiplied by 2 of 24. It is 4. Now let's add these two numbers. It comes to 32. Now write the 2 of 32 here. You are left with 3. Now multiply 7 of 72 with 2 of 24. It comes to 14, sorry. Now add 14 with 3 of the previous leftover number. It comes to 17. And write the 17 here. It comes to 7178. Let's check it with the help of the Excel. 72 multiplied by 24. 1728. Okay. Now please remember, I am writing all these calculations for your reference only. But if you practice this technique, you can solve this type of multiplication in one step without writing the steps. You can solve this multiplication within a few seconds in one step with the practice. You will not have to write the multiplication steps or the addition steps. Okay. At the end of this video, I am going to write a practice question for you. Just try to solve it without writing the steps on the paper in your heart, which is practice question is 93 multiplied by 41. You need to write down the answer by using this technique without writing on the paper or on the Excel sheet.